let me give you the quick summary of what we have seen. In order to log in, you need to use either email or Google account. Once you get in the section All Bots, you can create new bots, or you can also review your previously created. You can test them here and speak with your bots, or you can go to the settings. In the settings, you can change the visual of the widget, colors, location. You can also activate or deactivate the lead generation function that your bot provide information on your services and sell your services. Also, you can control your knowledge base, number of web pages, additional documents, and the last but not least, behavior, where you can change the behavior and type of products your bot is promoting. In the analytics section, you can see what have happened with your bot, as well as download all the history of communication. Once you have any questions about integration and you need to integrate your bot with your website, you can always ask our support, and we'll provide you with the relevant information on how to integrate our AI chatbots with your website. So thank you very much for your time, and I'm very happy if you will become our clients, and looking forward to power your websites with our Swiss AI chatbots.